Sabi nang nagdatang hindi pang... Hi! Welcome to Manila.
You say hi na. Ako niya mo dati.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you know.
Okay, iba naman ang trip nito, guys. Ayan, no, diba? Ayan. O, ayan na, madam. Sabali mo, day trip na mo, day dyan.
Day trip na mo.
Pinggol. Siya
I
yun.
think Bigos.
O, diba? Nakapili na siya eh. Ayan!
There are the things I want to know.
Ah, yeah. Also, it's not Korean, girl. Oh, it's creamy. Creamy seafood. You like or cheesy? Creamy seafood. Yan. Ito po ang isa sa pinaka-favorite ko. Pinaka-favorite. Ito ang favorite ko. Na cup noodles. Okay. And then, jampong. Pwede nating try yung jampong. Pero Lucky Me yan, madam. Wala nang iba. Lucky Me lahat. Masyadong namang maanghang ito. I cannot.
But this one?
Okay lang. At least Philippines. Gawa ng Pinoy. Ito, oh. Masarap ito, guys. Creamy seafood. Ito, tiniso na? See? Oh. Ano binili mo, madam? Ah, Korean. Spicy. Ayan. Tingin-tingin. Ah, ito. Pwede na to. Ay, hindi pwede yung shrimp flavor sa akin, madam. Ito siguro na lang. Yung isa. Okay, I'll get this one. Oh, it's 75.
What's the price?
It's 75.
Ito.
I know, I don't think so.
36?
Hana food ko na naman. Ko hanmot ngay so. May one.
Wala, 19.
Ah, yun, nung shim. Nung shim, 93!
Secret start in your heart.
Kukuha po ako ng drinks. Okay, what will I gonna choose? Parang, pwede palang soybean. Lychee. This one. Peach. Mogo-mogo. Ayan na. Mogo-mogo. Mogo-mogo. Ah, it's here. Ito lang palang mogo-mogo here. Bakit? Strawberry.
Ito different siya. Hindi no.